fun memories, no? Na to recollect all those fun memories that we had in Panabo. So
Oh,
let's shift gear to your present situation right now. You're married and then you have one kid lang, di ba? Isa lang anak mo?
isa lang.
Isa lang anak mo. So can you describe your how would I say it, your married life or yung yung buhay mo ngayon na may asawa na?
I think I am so blessed with my decision to marry this my wife.
Mm.
Very, of course, hindi lang perfect, pero our relationship is based on love and respect, and before we got married, we were very prayerful.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Yun. And I think na rin, matured na rin ako when I got married. I was what, 20, I think I was 28 already when I got married. And my wife was, during that time, was 26.
Okay.
So, yun yan. Uh,
Nagkakilala? Where did you met her?
Met her when she had her, I was with Unilab during that time. Ang depot kasi namin, yung office namin dito sa Central Luzon, nandito sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
Uh,
And I think she was a graduating student then. Nag-internship siya for her, nag-internship siya sa office namin.
uh-huh.
So I met her. Maraming nanligaw sa kanya. Ako yung tinuruan mo ako mabuti. Tinuruan mo ako mabuti.
May kasalanan pa ako ngayon, ha?
Ayun, isa ako sa mga nanligaw sa kanya. Pero kuya nakita niya ako, na-notice niya ako when I sang.
Ah,
Before, when I was a student kasi with Central Luzon State University, I was a working student. I sing by night, and then kasi ang buhay ko tong kuya, I was a full scholar with CLSU, Central Luzon State
uh,
University sa Muñoz.
good
So,
news.
during that time, wala pa kasing yung GCash, wala pang, pag nagpadala ng pera yung magulang namin through post office, and
Oh,
bago makarating yung pera sa akin was something like 1 week yung pinakamabilis eh.
uh-huh.
So, na-experience ko yung magutom ako sa
Mm.
dormitoryo. So, one of my roommates, na taga Mindanao din, si Dr. Dimakutak, kumakanta na siya sa Cabanatuan noon. So, he asked me, gusto mong
Oo.
kumanta? O kuya, naging professional singer ako. Ang alam kong kanta, 10 lang. Or mahigit 10. Ang cassette tape ko was something like mga 7 o 10 cassette tapes lang,
Uh-huh.
na masasabi ko siguro ang pwede kong kantahin na by heart was like mga 10 songs, tapos yung another 10 songs, pag kumanta ako, binabasa ko pa.
Oo.
So, I started with that. So, kumanta ako para may pangbili akong pagkain. Oo, so siguro kuya mga
Nagamit
3
din pala,
times
ha?
3 times to 4 times a week akong kumakanta.
Oh,
Oo,
good.
ayun. So nakatapos ako,
So, anong
'yan.
natapos mo, Ting?
Ang natapos ko kuya is Agribusiness Management
Ah,
sa
okay.
Central
Yeah.
Luzon State University. Ito din yung university na kung saan nag-graduate yung lolo namin, na
Oh,
sa father side ko, oo. Central Luzon Agricultural College siya, 1901.
is that in Yuba, Vizcaya, di ba? Yuba, Ecija?
Nueva Ecija. Nueva Ecija
Ecija.
siya.
Okay.
Oo.
Very good. So let's shift gear again for my final question. Um, Describe to us, we're looking in the future, where technology are there and internet and social media and everything. Ano ba yung what are you looking ahead in terms of, together with your family, your your wife, your child or your kid? in your continue yung pagtuloy ng biyahe mo sa we were called life. I mean, the journey of life. So ano yung ano ang tinitingnan mo? Ano yung vision mo?
Well, ako, sa aking kinatatayuan ngayon, kuya, well, I'm happy with what I have now.
Okay.
Ah,
Fair?
kung meron pa man akong opportunity to integrate sa aking hanap buhay, I would be very thankful sa Panginoong Diyos
Yeah.
na sa ganyan. Ang tanging ano ko na lang, kuya, ang pangarap ko na lang makita yung anak ko, nag-iisang anak ko, na maging successful siya, maging masaya siya, magkaroon siya ng pamilya, magkaroon kami ng apo na
Mhm.
I can share my experience, I can share my love. Ano pa, kulang pa ako sa ano, kuya, bitin ako sa bata kasi nag-iisa lang anak ko,
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
gusto ko pang madanasan uli na mag-care, mag-alaga ng apo. I still wish I could still do that, sa mga apo ko. I can serve them. Ah, yun lang simple lang ang pangarap ko, kuya. And, on a day-to-day basis siguro I can travel. I
Mhm.
can travel on a two-wheel, a bike or a motorcycle. I am actually I think that is the only thing that makes me excited now to go
Uh-huh.
places and ride my motorcycle.
Oh,
Yun ang, nagpapa-excite sa akin so far. Ah, ano lang, ganito, nakakausap ko yung mga kapatid ko, through these things.
yeah.
Malayo nung mga pinagdaanan natin. Nung pinagdaanan natin kailangan mong gumawa ng sulat,
Oh,
Tapos
yes.
marami ka pang erasures, marami ka pang mali na ano, kung minsan iba ang ano, malaking bagay itong
Yeah.
communication na ito, malayo dun sa kinalakhan natin.
It's
I'm happy na
partly, yeah. I mean, it's partly helping me maintaining my mental health.
yes,
Baka
yes.
wala kang kausap, lalo na sa Amerika, pag wala kang kaibigan, wala ka. You shrink. Liliit ka na parang, sige, resign na ako sa buhay ko, parang ganun. Pero with this technology that we are having right now, so, you can catch up friends for at least for a while na, kahit
Yeah,
madali,
yeah.
nakakakausap mo, ganun ba?
Right, right. And ano, kuya, we should feel blessed, uh, knowing na some of our friends, even younger than us, has passed already. Yung bang,
Yes.
nakakalungkot man, pero para bang dito mo mafi-feel na you are blessed dahil binigyan ka pa ng Panginoong Diyos ng mas mahabang buhay at puwede ka pang mangarap na
Yes.
ano,
Exactly.
oo.
And
Yeah.
yeah. So we're about to end with our conversation. I hope this is just the beginning, no? Parang part one lang ito, ha? I could
Yes,
ask
kuya.
you later kung ah, meron na tayong maraming followers, pwede tayong usap uli.
I would love to do that.
All right. So, thank you so much again.
Thank you,
And
kuya.
yeah, thank you for catching me. And until the next time, God be with you till we meet again.
Till we meet again, kuya. I love you, brother.